You will agree with me that what we practice here is a partisan democracy. That is democracy where all elections must be through political party sponsorship. In this case, the government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is a government produced by All Progressive Congress. So everybody you have seen here today came as a member of APC, irrespective of the political office he or she occupies. So, and we are here to put heads together to congratulate ourselves and congratulate Nigerians on the recent developments. You know, at the beginning of this administration, when the president started with the reforms, the opposition was very loud in criticizing the policies of government. But today, Mr. President is being vindicated. Gradually, international organizations like World Bank, IMF, are now beginning to commend the administration of President Tinubu for taking bold decisions in embarking on a reform-driven government. So at the same time, to also see how best to coordinate and encourage the members of our great party, and by extension Nigerians, who, despite all distractions, were resilient in supporting the government of President Tinubu and putting together on how best to serve Nigeria better as a political party. So our party will have a responsibility as a party to provide support for the administration of this courageous and bold man who has come to serve Nigeria. And our meeting went well. We put our heads together, we discussed, and we agreed that going forward, working as a family, we must struggle to serve Nigeria better. Our political party, APC, is a rule-driven political organization. If there is any decision of Supreme Court against our party, we will obey. In favor of our party, we will also obey. We will not go against court judgments. We are here, like I told you, as a political party. And there are different organs of the party, political party, from the ward level, from the polling unit level, up to the ward level, to the local government, state and national. So from time to time, as appropriately required, we will always meet to put ideas together through a proper synergy to serve Nigeria better. Brilliant question. May 29th this year will be 2 years of President Tinubu administration. And the APC is very ready to celebrate the successes recorded so far and also address the challenges also recorded. So any moment from now, APC, the All Progressive Congress National Working Committee, will roll out their programs of events and we will all participate.
Of APC members, we are members of the APC, the ministers, and the governors who are in attendance together with members of the National Working Committee. We've come together to reassess the performance of the government as it approaches its midterm. We feel happy to say that the government of APC has done so well. We have a lot to showcase, and we have all agreed that leading up to the midpoint of this administration, we will enlighten Nigerians the more about what government is doing. We'll also take feedback from Nigerians so that we can do even better. The APC family is a very big one, and it is not out of place for all of us to come together once again to look at what we have done in the last 2 years and project also where we're going in the future. The entire hope is that all of us will collectively and collaboratively move towards ensuring that Nigeria reaches the desired prosperity that Mr. President has promised when he took office. We're happy with where we are going. We know that there have been some challenges here and there, but we also know that we're in the right direction, and God willing, Nigeria will be better off for it.
So with the issue of what to find out if issues about the local government's Supreme Court judgment, local government.
You have asked question. No, it was not discussed here. know that the governors had their meeting. We didn't discuss that. It was not part of the agenda at this particular meeting.
Honorable Minister, sir, recently you met with presidential media team. Is it in connection with the May 29 celebration?
No, not necessarily, but we know that as we reach our midpoint, it is also important for all of us, the presidential communication team, the national communication team, everyone to come together so that we can look at our messaging and fine-tune it so that Nigerians can be better informed and enlightened about our activities and programs.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Excellency. Well done, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.